We often hear the Amazon rainforest described as the lungs of our Earth, a vast green ocean of trees breathing life into our world. This description, while poetic, only scratches the surface of the incredible complexity and profound importance of this magnificent ecosystem. The Amazon is a world of secrets, a realm where nature's imagination has run wild for millions of years, creating a tapestry of life so dense and diverse it almost defies belief. It is a place of colossal trees, hidden rivers, and creatures of breathtaking beauty and startling strangeness. The Amazon is not confined by the political boundaries drawn on our maps. Brazil, Peru, Colombia, Venezuela, Ecuador, Bolivia, Guyana, Suriname, French Guiana. This transnational nature makes its conservation a complex international challenge. Each nation holds a piece of this incredible biological puzzle, and the health of the whole depends on the actions of each part. Winding through the heart of this great forest is a river of equal stature, the Amazon River. It discharges more water into the Atlantic Ocean than the next 7 largest rivers combined. Its annual floods rejuvenate the surrounding land, depositing rich silt that nourishes the forest. The river and the forest are locked in an ancient, inseparable embrace. The scale of life here is almost beyond human enumeration. Scientists estimate the Amazon is home to over 400 billion individual trees. Each tree is an ecosystem in itself, a vertical world providing food and shelter for untold organisms. From slender saplings to ancient giants, their collective presence defines this landscape. It is estimated that 1 in every 10 known species on our planet resides within the Amazon rainforest. From the smallest insect to the largest predator, life has diversified into a dazzling array of forms. Millions of years of stable, warm, wet conditions allowed evolution to experiment with endless possibilities. Every niche, from soil to canopy, has been filled. Among this biodiversity are some of the world's most charismatic and iconic creatures. Troops of monkeys, from tiny pygmy marmosets to powerful howler monkeys, leap through the branches. Down below, the elusive jaguar stalks silently in the undergrowth. The gentle sloth hangs camouflaged in the trees. There are over 40,000 distinct plant species documented here, a living pharmacy. Utilized by indigenous peoples for millennia, rainforest plants have given us medicines from muscle relaxants to treatments for malaria. Less than 1% of the Amazon's plant species have been thoroughly studied for medicinal potential. Hidden within leaves, roots, and bark could be cures for diseases that plague humanity. The Amazon is a human home, a place of deep cultural history, and more than 350 distinct indigenous groups. Their knowledge of plants, animals, and sustainable management is an invaluable resource. Deep within remote parts, some indigenous groups live in voluntary isolation, a fragile link to ancient ways. Protecting their lands is not only conservation, it is a profound human rights issue. Deforestation is driven primarily by cattle ranching, agriculture, logging, and mining, tearing holes in the fabric of the rainforest. Every day an area equivalent to thousands of football fields is cleared, pushing the forest toward a dangerous tipping point. Recognizing and protecting indigenous rights is one of the most effective strategies for conserving the rainforest. The rainforest creates its own weather, something scientists call flying rivers. Each large tree can release hundreds of liters of water vapor every day, multiplied across 400 billion trees. The result is an invisible river of moisture in the sky. These flying rivers deliver essential rainfall to agricultural regions thousands of miles away. Its destruction could therefore lead to catastrophic droughts far beyond the forest's borders. The murky waters hide one of the world's most peculiar creatures, the pink river dolphin, the boto. Born gray, many adults develop a pink hue that deepens when they are excited, an unforgettable glimpse into a unique evolutionary path. Below the green roof, less than 1% of sunlight reaches the forest floor, a dim, humid realm of perpetual twilight. Fungi and decomposers thrive here, recycling nutrients back into the soil. Beyond oxygen, the Amazon is a colossal carbon sink, absorbing vast quantities of CO2 through photosynthesis. Trees, wood, leaves, and rich soils lock carbon away for centuries, one of our most powerful allies against climate change. But when the forest is burned or cleared, that stored carbon is released, turning a climate solution into a source of greenhouse gases. Protecting the Amazon is therefore a direct and essential climate action. Competition for light drives some trees to become true giants. Emergents like the kapok can tower over 200 feet, taller than a 20-story building. Their massive crowns are gardens for orchids, bromeliads, and countless animals. At the top of the food chain reigns the jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas and a keystone species. Powerful swimmers with an astonishing bite, jaguars control herbivore populations and help keep the forest balanced. The Amazon basin covers roughly 7 million square kilometers, about 40% of South America. A complex network of thousands of rivers and streams feed the main channel, a landscape of continental proportions. The Amazon began to take modern form around 55 million years ago, an ancient living museum. That longevity allowed complex symbioses and specialized adaptations to evolve. The Amazon gave us cacao, the seed of chocolate, Brazil nuts, acai, cashews, avocados, foods that connect our tables to this distant ecosystem. Astonishingly, a new species of plant or animal is discovered in the Amazon on average every single day. If you found these facts captivating, share your favorite in the comments below, and please like and subscribe to help protect this shared wonder.